Hello, everyone. In this session, we will explain how to use Kinco DToolsPro's resource libraries, including the text, font, and language library, which are designed to store frequently used text, font templates, and language settings. By pre-configuring these resources, you can quickly access them during configuration, saving time and effort. Let's start with the text library, which enables rapid text editing. First, open the text lib from the left side project tree. Click Add to create a new text library. When you need to edit a large amount of text, you can use the output function to export the text library to a specified location on your PC and edit the content using Excel. After editing, just import the CSV file back into the text library. If you no longer need certain content, you can delete them or click Clear to remove all entries. The text library also supports multilingual display, allowing you to set different text for different languages. Now, return to the main window to see how to use it during project design. Select a bit switch button, bind a variable to it. And then, in the label properties, choose to use the text library. If the required text is not available in the library, you can also directly input the text. Here you can save the input content to text library for future use. The language library is used to set how many languages are supported in the current project. However, it needs to be synchronized with a used language number. Otherwise, the additional language content will not be displayed properly. The language library supports up to 64 languages. When you change the number of supported languages, all related settings will be adjusted automatically. The font library is mainly used to create font property templates, allowing you to quickly apply font settings. Add new font templates as needed. Once a font property template is created, you can directly apply it to component label properties by selecting Import Font Template. You can also save the current font properties from a component's label settings back into the font library, making it easier to reuse them across other components. Thanks for watching. Next time we will introduce you other libraries, so stay tuned.